Hello friends, this is Deep Narayan Singh. I hope all of you are doing very well and preparing very hard for your examination. Now this is the time for the pre-board. So I wish good luck for all of you for your pre-boards. Today in this video we are going to discuss some SQL query based questions that are being asked in your board examination. Okay, so here some tables are given and based on that they will ask 4 or 5 questions and then you need to write the queries. So what is the point to remember in that? We will discuss a little bit of the concept for that particular queries. Let us go ahead and discuss the concept. So to deal with the database, we are going to use the SQL language. So SQL language is divided into 4 parts. That commands are divided into DDL, data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. So these are the 4 category of command that SQL will have. Inside data definition language, it deals with the structure of the table or schema, how the data will be stored. Okay, so there are 3 commands we have: create, alter, and drop. Create is going to create the database or table. Alter is going to change the table, column, data type, or rename it, or it is going to remove the column or add the column. Drop is going to be used for removing the table or database permanently from the relational database management system. Then we have next category of commands, that is called DML. There are 4 commands in that: select, insert, update, and delete. Select command is used to display the data. Insert command is used for inserting data inside the table. Update command is used to update the data inside the table, and delete command is used to delete the data. Remember that in DML we are talking about the data. What we are talking about? Data. So it deals with the tuples only. So what are the rows inside the table? That is called data. Whereas DDL deals with the schema or structure of the table. So DDL is different. Then we have DCL, that is data control language: commit, grant, and revoke. So grant is like giving permission, revoke it removing permission to update or modify data. But DCL and TCL not are the part of our syllabus. TCL has 2 commands like commit and save point and rollback. So these are the commands. TCL means what? Transaction control language. After that, let us see the syntaxes of the create, alter, and drop, because syntax are very important for writing the query. What do we mean by syntax? The way of writing a particular language is called syntax. Like in English, we have the grammar, set of rules to write the English language. Like that, we have the syntax for other languages, computer languages, which tells us how to write the command uh, while you are writing that language. So let us see the create command syntax, where you need to write the create table, then table name, after that column name, data type, size, constraint. You have to repeat until you this process for all the columns. Only that last column will not have comma at the last. So this is the difference. Then create table, then table name, open bracket, and then you are going to write column name, data type, size, and constraint. Next column name, next data type, size, and constraint. Like that you continue. Only the last column will not have comma at the end. Then you close the parenthesis. Remember, do not forget to put semicolon after each query. Like that you can also create a database using create table. Next command is what? Alter command. Alter command, we can add the column to the table, we can remove the column from table, or we can also modify the data type of the column. Then we have the drop command. So drop command can be used to remove the database or table from the relational database management system completely. How we will write? Drop table, table name, or if we want to delete the database, we will write drop database, then database name. So that is about the syntax of the DDL commands. Let us go for the concept of DML commands. We have 4 DML commands: select, insert, delete, and update. Select is used to display the data, most important command. So what is the syntax of the select? Please pay attention to this syntax. You need to write the select command, then you can write star. Star means what? Star means all. If you want all column in your output, what you can write? Star. If you want some of the column list in your output, then you can write column list comma separated. If you want only distinct values should come in your output from a particular column, you have to use distinct keyword in front of that column name. Then you can write the expression. So like if you want to calculate commission or any calculation you want to perform on the column values, then you have to write the expression. You can also give the alias to that column name. So how do we give the alias? We will write the column name as then the alias name. Alias is nothing but they are the like nicknames we have in our homes. So like we can give the nicknames to the columns which will be displayed in the output. It has nothing to do with the original name which are stored inside the table. Then you have next from clause in the select command. From clause you will write the table name. Where and order by clause are optional. So where clause is used to specify the condition. Order by clause is used to order the result either in ascending order or descending order based on some column. Okay, so this is what about select syntax. Two more things are there in select syntax. You can use group by and having. We will discuss later on these two group by and having. So group by is used to group data based on some column, and to apply condition on groups, which clause we will use? Having clause. Next syntax is for insert. So we will write insert into table name, then we will write comma separated column list, after that values and value list. So this is how insert command will work. Next command is what? Update command. Remember and keep in mind, update table name, then set column name equal to value. Okay, second column name equal to value and where condition. While you are using update command, keep that in mind to write a proper condition. Otherwise what will happen? It will update values for all the columns. So condition is very important for update and delete command. Again I am repeating syntax of the update command, then you need to write the table name. After that you can write the keyword set. Okay, then you can write column name equal to value which you want to update, or if you want to update multiple columns you can have like multiple columns equal to values and comma separated. After that you will write the where condition. Let us see the syntax of the delete command. So delete command will have delete from table name where condition. So delete from table name where condition. Delete after that from clause, then table name. After that you will write where clause. Inside the where clause you will write the condition. So this is what syntax of the delete command. Let us see our first question. Write a SQL query which are based on the tables called dealer and stock. So here you have these tables like you have dealers, stock. Okay, so write the SQL query to display the detail of all items in stock table in ascending order of the stock date. So how first you need to concentrate on this word that is called to display the detail. Whenever it say display the detail of all items, then you are going to use select command, or inside select command what you will use? Inside select command you will use star, because you want all the columns. There is no specification how many columns you want in stock table. So what is the name of the table? Stock. In ascending order of their stock date, so order you want in the output based on this column called stock date. So now you see select star for all from, then table name stock, order by, because we want our output to order as per the column stock date, and in which ascending order. So we will write AESC, asset for ascending order. If we want it in descending order, we will write the ESC. So this way you will write the command for this particular thing. To display the item number, item name of those items from stock table whose unit price is more than 10 rupees. Item number and item name of whose items from the stock table whose unit price is of those items whose unit price is more than 10 rupees. So what columns I need? I need item number, item name, and we need unit price to compare. So stock table will have item number, item name, and also unit price to compare. So I will write select item number, and we will not write item name completely. Remember that for item name, which column is there? The column name is item. So in query, we are going to write only that name which is available in the table given, not in the question. So for item name, the name of the column is what? Item only. So we will write item number, which is as per the table a column header, and item, this is also as per the table column header. From stock, this is table name where unit price is greater than what? 10. To display the detail of those items whose dealer code is 102 or quantity in stock is more than 100 from the table stock. What I want? Dealer code. I want to compare. I want to compare the quantity which in stock, that is more than 100. So quantity in stock is available here. Okay, fine. And dealer code is also available here in stock table itself. I can do what? Display the details. So remember, it is asking of display the details. So which command you are going to use? Select command, because for displaying data, select command is used. Select star from stock, because all the columns which I want are available in the stock only, where D code equal to 102 and or quantity. Why it is or? Because or is given in the question. Either of the condition is satisfied, either D code is 102 or quantity is greater than 100, then all the details of such items should be displayed. The maximum unit price of items for each dealer individually as per D code from the table stock. Maximum unit price of items for each dealer individually. Whenever you see word like for each, which word? For each. For each employee individually, for each dealer individually, for each department individually, for each stream individually. So like in that case, always think that you are going to use what? Group by clause, because you need to group based on some data as per the decode from the stock table. So on what basis we are going to group? We are going to group based on decode. So how we will write? Select, decode and max of the unit price from stock and group by decode, because the column on which you are grouping, there must be some repetition. If repetition is not there, the objective of grouping will not be satisfied, because which type of object be grouped? The similar type of object will be grouped. Similar type of object will be grouped. Okay, so for grouping there must be similar type of objects available. If similar type of objects are not there in your column, then there is no use of specifying group by. To understand that where to put group by, what is the trick? You need, if you are having that particular thing in your question, that for each word is available, then you are going to use which particular clause? Group by clause. Order the result, which clause? Order by. Okay, where clause is used for specifying condition. So that's it for this question. Let us move to the next one. Second question says we have two tables, sender and receiver, where we have some data, and based on that data we need to write the queries. To display the REC ID, sender name, sender address, okay, and receiver name, receiver address for every receiver. For every receiver we want sender receiver ID, sender name and sender address. So sender name and sender address are available in sender table. Receiver ID, okay, and receiver name and receiver address, receiver name and receiver address is available in receiver table. So that is clear. We want the data from two tables. In that case, what we need to use? Always we need to use a join. and join will be performed based on a common column. So which is the common column here? Let me change the color of my pen. Till then you try to figure out which column is common for these two tables. So this sender ID is acting as foreign key here. How do I know that? Because this is a primary key here for this table. Check it out. No null values and no duplication. So as you can see, there is no null values and no duplication. Okay, and this particular column is also available in receiver table. Based on that, let us put a join condition. So what I will write here, select r dot receiver id. This is what id, receiver id, s dot sender name, s dot sender address, r dot receiver name and receiver address. Okay, fine. From sender as s, receiver as r. Next is to put the join condition. So where s dot sender id equal to r dot sender id. So this is our answer for this particular question. And inside where what I wrote? I wrote this is called join condition. And which type of join it is? It is equi-join, because we are using equal to sign here. If we want to perform natural join, so what I will write? I will write like from sender natural join receiver. So in that way it is going to written. Let us see the next question. To display the receiver detail in ascending order of their receiver name. Remember that based on the receiver name we are going to order, and in which order? Ascending order. So when you say we are going to order, which clause we are going to use? Order by clause, and order by clause inside select. How many columns we want to display? Display the receiver details. What does it mean? We want to display all the details. So we will write select star from receiver, order by receiver name. I hope you are getting. Next question is like to display number of receiver from each city. So from each city, remember, from each, for each, such type of word will come. Which particular command you need to keep in mind? That is what? Group by. Which command? Group by command. Group by command is going to, and because it is asking for each city, so after for each which column? That is the column city. So based on that we are going to group the records. So which column have cities inside the table? Inside receiver city. So what they want? They want the number of receivers from that city. So I will use the count star function. We will have like min, max, sum, average, avg and count. So these are the SQL aggregate functions, which are called multi-row functions. They will take multiple rows in input and produce single row as a output. Select count star from receiver, group by receiver city. So this is the answer for third question. Let us move to the next question. To display the detail of the sender whose sender city is Pune. Now we have to compare that city should be Pune. Select star from sender where city equal to Pune. Select star from sender where city equal to Pune, because we want all the details. There is no specification about the columns, which columns we want. The only condition is display the detail of only those senders who have city as Pune. So we have compared. Sender city is the name of the column as per the table. Remember, this names we for all the column we will write as per the column header. Next question, to change the name of the receiver whose receiver ID is ND48 to S Rathore. Okay, fine. Now we want to update the data inside the table. Update data inside table. Which command we are going to use? Update command. So update, okay, receiver table name set column name equal to value where condition. So update table receiver set receiver name equal to S Rathore where receiver ID is what? ND48. So I hope you got it. The important thing is to find out the clause, which clause you are going to use for that particular scenario. Whenever you see display to display to display to display to display, remember you are going to use select clause. Now inside select clause, order by is required, where is required, group by is required, having is required. That you need to find out by reading the question. So group by, when I told you group by will be applicable when you find words like for each city, for each individual, for every employee, for each stream. So such type of words are there, then you are going to use what, which clause, group by clause. Let us move to the next question. There we have given the table like schools admin, okay, and we have some question to decrease the period by 10% of the teacher of English subject. Actually what I want some change in these periods. So what actually we are doing, we are updating the data. What does 10% means? 10% means 10 by 100. So we can also write it 0.01. If we want to multiply the value 0.01, that will be equivalent to 10%. So update, what is the table name where period is available? That is school. Update school and set period equal to period multiplied by 0.01. That is what, 10% of the period. Okay, so let us see. Update school, set period equal to 0.9, because we want to reduce it by 10% na, decrease. So 0.9 it will be there after removing the 10, that is 0.01%. If I removed out of 100%, what, how much is remaining? 0.09, where subject equal to English. I hope you are getting where is used to put the condition. Next question, to display the teacher name code designation from the table school and admin. Now we have two tables. Remember, whenever you have two tables, we are going to use join, but for joining purpose we should have some common column. And what is the common column? We have the code as common column, whose gender is male. Display teacher name code designation from the table school. Okay, teacher name code and designation from the table school and admin whose gender is male. So one of the condition is where gender equal to male, and the next condition is what, where school.code equal to admin.code, that is called join condition, and they both must be true. So display select teacher school.teacher name school.code admin.designation from school natural join admin where gender equal to male. Now they have used here what, natural join, because both the tables have a column with same name. If you have a different name but data is satisfying the same data type is having both the column, then natural join cannot be used. Natural join is same as equi-join only. The only difference is name of the column must be same in case of natural joins, but in case of equi-join it is not necessary that you will have the same names. Let us move to the next question. To display the number of teachers in each subject, which clause, group by. Okay, to display, which command, select number of teachers. So which function, count function. Now number of teachers, so we are going to select count star and subject from school, where school group by subject. So this is what the command will look like. We need to select subject and count star from the table school, group by that particular thing with the help of subject. So we are going to group these subject first, English, physics, chemistry and maths. So how many group will be created? 4 group, and the count for them is like, for English how much is there? 1, 2. For physics 2, for 3, for physics 3, or for chemistry 1, maths 1. Okay, so English 2, Physics 3, English 2, because 2 times come. So count star will give what? 2. And for physics it will be appearing 3 times. So count star will give what? 3. And for chemistry and physics 1 1. I hope you people are getting. To display the detail of all the teachers who have joined the school after this particular date in descending order of their experience. Now after, joined after, so this date should be written in MySQL like 199, okay, and then month, that is 01 and 01, and inside quotes. So date must be greater than this, joined after, because all the dates which are greater than this will give the joining date after it. So what we will write? To display the detail of all the teachers. Display, which command we are going to use? Select command. All the teachers. So there is no specification how many columns you want. So what you will use? Star. So select star from school table name where DOJ is greater than this. Order by experience DESC. So on what basis you are going to display them? Based on the experience, but in descending order. Do we have experience column? Yes, we have experience column in school table. If you can see, this is the experience column. Let us move to the next question. Delete all the entries of those teachers whose experience is less than 10 years and name containing the substring is in school table. There is a keyword in SQL that is called like, which is used for pattern matching. Questions like that. If I want to match a substring here, that substring is should be there in the name. Delete all the entries of those teachers whose experience is less than 10 years and name containing is in the school table. So there are two conditions, that is experience must be less than 10 years, experience must be less than 10 years and experience is less than 10 years, and name like, we will not write equal to, name like. What we have for like keyword? We have two wildcards with that. First one is percentage underscore. Percentage will say any length string. So I want anything before is and after is, okay, but that is must appear somewhere in the name. So that is how you are going to have the condition. Let us see the actual query itself. Delete from school where experience is less than 10 years. Okay, fine, this is not going to end here. I will write and name is stored in, name is teacher name, so I will write teacher name like, what I will write here? Percentage is percentage. This pattern matching string will give all the names which are having is somewhere in it. So this substring will be find, and experience is less than 10 years. Such entries must be deleted due to that query. Now we have one more table, supplier and store here. Based on that, first question is display the detail of all the items in store table in descending order of their last by. So display details of all the items. We have items detail inside the table called store in descending order of last by. So we have a column called last by. Now how can we order our result? By using the order by clause. So what I will write? Select a star from store order by last by, that is a column name DESC. If you leave DESC, it is no, it will always give in ascending order by default. But if you want it in descending order, what you should need to write? DESC, DESC semicolon. So select command star for all, from clause, store table, order by clause, and then we are going to write the column name based on order should be required and the way it should be ordered. So in descending order. Let us see the next question. To display item number, item name of those items from the store table whose rate is more than 15 rupees. Item number and item name both are available in store table only, and we need to compare rates. So rates are available here, but they are asking I want the details of item number or item name of for only those items who have their rate more than 15. So we will write select item number, item name from store where rate is greater than 15. Fine. Where clause is used to specify condition. From table select comma separated list of columns. To display the detail of those items whose supplier code is 22 or quantity in store is more than 110 from the table store. Supplier code is what? 22. We have S code here available in this particular column. Or quantity in store is more than 110. Next column is what? Quantity. So either of the condition will satisfy. We will display the details. So detail of those items. Now it is asking display the details. No specific column. So what I will write? Select star from store where S code equal to 22 or quantity greater than 110. Let us see. Select star from store where S code equal to 22 or quantity is greater than how much? 110. Let us see the next question. To display the minimum rate of item for each supplier individually. Again you got the word called for each. So for each means what? You are going to use group by clause as per S code from the table store. Minimum rate, to display the minimum rate of items, okay, individually for each supplier. Let us see, that is select S code and min rate. S code is available and minimum rate from store group by S code. So based on what we are going to group? S code. Fine, because they are the supplier code. Each supplier individually. Let us have the next question. Next question says to display item number, item name, S name from table with their corresponding matching S code. Okay. So what I want? Item number, item name and S name. So item number and item name are fine. They are available in store table, but S name is available in supplier table. So what I want? I want to use the join. So how can we use the join? Select store dot item number comma store dot item comma supplier dot s name. You can also use column table alias for these purposes, so that you need not to write the complete store or suppliers again and again. Let us go select item number, item store dot s code s name from store supplier where store dot s code equal to supplier dot s code. Next question, we have two tables like trainer or course. Let us see the first question. To display all the detail of trainers who are living in Chennai city. So select star from trainer where city equal to what? Chennai, because we have a column called city in this table. Select star from trainer where city is Chennai. Okay, city is Chennai, or that is also fine. Otherwise what you can utilize here for comparison purpose? Equal to sign. Next, display the trainer name, city, salary in decreasing order of their hire date. Select trainer name, city, salary, okay, from trainer, order by hire date, descending, DESC. So like that we will write Select T name, city, salary from trainer, order by, hired rate, DSC. Next, count and display the number of trainers in each city. Again, you got the each. So, which clause you are going to use? You are going to use group by clause. For displaying, select command. For counting, count star. So, select city, count star from trainer group by city. Display the course detail which have fees more than 12,000, names ends with A. So how will you write? I told you already, like. Okay, so name, it is asking like name in what context? Display the course detail. Okay, it is asking that about the course name. So course name is available in C name, like, how you want, ends with A. So before anything will come, but at last A should come. So this is ends with A. Okay. Now check out the answer. Select star from course where fee is greater than 12,000 and C name like A percentage. For displaying purpose, always remember you are going to use which command? Select command. If the column not specified how many column you want to display, just go for star to display all the column. From clause will always have tables in it. So from table name is course, where clause is used to specify condition. So we want fees should be greater than 12,000 and C name like A percentage. So anything in front of A can be allowed, but A must be at the last of each string. Let us see, to display the trainer name, course name from both tables where course fee is less than 10,000. Trainer name and course name. Okay, fine. So select T dot trainer name, C name from trainer T course C where T dot TID equal to C dot TID and C dot fee is less than 10,000. So like that way you are going to get the query for this particular thing. Next we have a different set of tables, company and customer. Here in company we have columns like CID, name, city, product name, customer ID, name, price, quantity and CID. Let us see the first question. To display those company names which are having price less than 30,000. So do we have price in company name? No. Company name is available here and price is available here. So what I need to do? I need to perform a join. Let us see, is there a common column? Yes, CID is the primary key for company but foreign key for customer table. Let us see how to write. Select company.name from company from a customer where company.cid equal to customer.cid and customer.price is less than how much? 30,000. Next, to display the name of the companies in reverse alphabetical order. Display the name of companies in reverse alphabetical order. So how can we do that? Reverse alphabetical order. Okay, so select name from company, order by name and DESC. So it will start printing from reverse alphabetical order. If you print it in AESC, then it will print in alphabetical order. Select after that column which you want to select from, then you want to write table name, order by, then write the column on which you want to order and the way you want to order, either in ascending or descending order. To increase the price by 1,000 for those customers whose name starts with S. Remember that we are going to update the data. So which command is going to be used? Update customer set price equal to price plus 1,000. Okay, fine. So here we are going to have like customer update table name set column name equal to price plus 1,000 where name like S percentage. So all the names which are starting with S will get the 1,000 rupee hike in the price. Next, select the product name, city, Okay, price from company customer where company.cid and product name is mobile. Now they have given the query, we need to give the output. So product name, city and price we want, but common column we need to see CID. For CID, let us check it out. CID where it is available. Okay, so this is for 122 and this is for 166 and product name is what? Mobile. So where is the product name available? Okay, customer or company, BlackBerry, Sony, Onida. Okay, so for that one I hope fine. There you have the product name column available. So for mobile, which is that 222, for mobile 444, and there also you have the mobile, you have this one and this one. These are the three records. So 202 record will come, 444 record will come, and 555 is not available. For that one I want the product name, that is mobile, and for that I want city, so that is what? For double two city is what? Mumbai. For triple four also Mumbai, so city is what? Mumbai. And what I want next? Price. So what is the price? That is 70,000, and there you have 25,000. Next, that's it. Product name, city, price. So these three things are required. Let us see the output. There you have the output for this one: mobile, Mumbai, and 70,000 and 25,000. Select average quantity from customer where name like R percentage R percentage. So for the customer, if name somewhere have like R in it, then you are going to sum all those quantity and get the average of them. So R Rohan, like R is available here, Kumar R is available here, R is available here, okay, R is available here, R is available here. So these three records and last two records, 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 15. So how much it is? 5 1 carry, 3 1 4 2 5. I hope 55, and no, is there a mistake? Fine, because it is giving answer like 12. So 20 20 20 40 40 plus 15, that is 55. Fine, 55 divided by 5 for getting the average quantity, that is what? 5 customer name, average quantity, okay, 5, so that is going to come as 11. Fine, this is the result. Next, okay, that's it for this particular video. Thank you very much for patient listening. I hope these videos are helping for you people. If they are helping a little bit, please do like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.